Who's gonna join? Why is it saying my connection is only fair? Wow. Rude, I'm on Ethernet. What a joke man thing. We're doing Flappy Bird today. Oh shit, people joined. Hello, Pro Gamer. Pro Gamer, that is getting relatively old. Yes, my eyebrows are cool. Hello, Toby Games. Hello, Phantom Newer. Big S. Suspicious Man. Oh, wow. Hello. Nice profile picture. Right, so you are here to witness me starting the final thing in Meme Game before I start making the campaign. This is big. It's a bit of a milestone. And that thing is Flappy Bird. An enemy. A Flappy Bird enemy. Hello, Johnny Leakster. Hello, Ree. So, yeah, so I was thinking, because you can fly right now in Meme Game, it kind of makes sense to have a flying enemy. Because otherwise it's a bit OP. Also adds some nice variation to the game. I like. So, actually, I don't have to waste a lot of time looking for a nice PNG sprite image of Flappy Bird, because back in the days, if you watched my 10 years of learning game development video, you will know that I actually remade a Flappy Bird clone, and I'm just going to extract the image assets from that and use them here. So yeah, add guy into the game. How's that change.org petition coming along? Oh no, my magic mouse is out of battery. You have Flappy Meme, nice. My mouse is fat. You're fat. Get wrecked. Where did OBS just go? Oh, there it is. Hello, lazy man. Right, so we're gonna delve into the depths of an old game of mine. Old game. Flappy... Oh my god, there's so many Flappy Bird variations. Flappy Bird. And instead of opening it, because I don't actually have Game Salad Pro at the moment, or whatever it is, you have to pay for it if you want to open it. You didn't used to have to. But I can just inspect, I can just show package contents, and I can see all of the images in the game. So I can just yoink these into Meme Game. Look at that. HD Flappy Bird animation. Beautiful. This one guy in the server keeps calling every coloured person chicken munching monkey. Damn. Well, if he's spamming, then just ban him or put him on a timeout or something. You are the mod. You make decisions like this. You are entrusted with such thingamabob. Why are there 12 people watching this stream right now? Anyway, Game Salad, where is it? Wait, did Game Salad crash? Oh no, I never opened Game Salad. Yes, so Flappy Bird. Okay, we also have the pipe. That's beautiful. So I think the idea for Flappy Bird is we just gonna have him as the enemy, flapping at you. So he'll just be sitting there like hovering like he does in Flappy Bird. And then when you come into range of him, he will start flapping after you in the same style as Flappy Bird, like with the same like rotation upwards and then fall, and then rotation upwards and then fall. And then when he hits you, a tube should spawn, I think. And he will fall down with the sound effect and do damage to you. Pretty sound idea, right? But the Beatles in the background with him doing this works together very well. Are you used to the Beatles? I had a Beatles phase back in the days. I am well versed in Beatles. You gotta go do Muslim things with your Muslim dad. Be back. You're done. Alright, see you in a bit then. Okay, so let's see. I think that was the idea that I wrote down. So kamikaze, one time hit, then they die and fall all the way to the bottom of the screen. The birds could be hovering there like a sine wave until it goes near a player. Yep. It's an aerial obstacle. When a Flappy Bird hits you, a pipe spawns over you with a layer that doesn't collide with player but collides with everything else, just so you're turning into a pipe, which is accurate from the game. Yeah, and actually, Should the pipe do anything? Like, I feel like the pipe should do something when it spawns. Oh, okay, here. It collides with everything but the player. Okay, we'll do that. Yay for you. The mobile version, well, I assume it still works. I haven't tested it in a while, but there's no reason why the mobile version wouldn't still be working. Mod call is a thing in the server. What is mod call? I'm a Discord noob. So yeah, so we finished the checkpoint last time, so we can actually start this Flappy Bird meme. And I tested the checkpoint, make sure it works, and in case you missed it, you can set the number of respawns. It defaults to the biggest possible integer number, which is 2.147483647 billion. Don't know why I said the whole thing. And it's obviously resizable, even in non-experimental, because why not? It's just something you overlap with. No colliders or anything there. I need to unadmin Rudy. Why? Was I gonna unadmin him? I didn't realize I needed to do that. Okay, so let's make a folder for Flappy Bird. Get this bread. Let's go. Memes. Create. Folder. Flappy Bird. He gave himself admin when I messed up the role order. Oh. I mean... fair enough. Okay, Rudy, goodbye, no more admin. Enchanted requested it, and Enchanted was more of an OG. Can you replace Rudy? Haha. Yes. No. No, absolutely not. We have enough admins. The admin to... what's it called? Member ratio is way too high, and admins start complaining. So, yeah, we ain't gonna do that. Right, create folder art. Oh, actually, Flappy Bird art, because obviously it's the pipe as well, but we don't want to put that in the folder. We want all the animation frames. So these, just gonna yoink. Cool. Start mod app soon. I should add guy into the game. Where's the petition? Where's the 10,000 votes or whatever it was I said? I love how HD he is, but he is absolutely ginormous. My god. Okay, let's change the pixels per unit. Give me the mod called cool people role. Are you a cool person? You're pretty cool, to be fair. You've helped me, I think. Where are you? Say something in general. Hey, Haki, last to join. What's up, my guy? Pixels per unit, let's try 1,000. See if that... oh, yeah, that's actually pretty good. That's a decent size right there. Actually, that's kind of too small. Can't even see him. 700. You're snaz. Cool people. You are now cool. To be fair... if you ask to be putting cool people on the stream, you deserve to be a cool person because you're watching my stream. I'm gonna give you detention, Hacky, for being so late. Idea, Discord ping, a weapon that makes the player throw Discord pings. Yeah, that's also a weapon that makes me get sued in court by the Discord. Actually, no, it doesn't, to be fair. Is Discord ping even a meme? Okay, that's a good size for Flappy Bird, right? I reckon so. Yeah, okay. Did we compress him? Let's see how big he is. 51 kilobytes. That is fine. And what happens if we use crunch compression? 1.5 kilobytes. That is ridiculous. I mean, I guess it is just a bunch of pixels. But I'm impressed that the crunch compression algorithm knows to actually treat them as pixels and then, like... I mean, they are just solid colors. It can't be that hard for a compression algorithm, to be fair. Nah, I'm giving it too much credit. Okay, let's make the other two 700 and compress them as well. I love that sweet, sweet low file size. Can you be cool people? Yeah, mods, can you give everyone in this chat who asks to be a cool person a cool person? Because cool people is kind of arbitrary. And honestly, watching my stream is good enough to be considered a cool person. Okay, so we have the Flappy Bird sprites. We need to make the Flappy Bird meme info. and meme item. Standard stuff, meme item data. Where did that just spawn? Oh my god, did it like put it in the root? Don't tell me put it in the goddamn root directory. Let's see, let's check the git. I don't see anything. You're the only admin here to do things. Is Hacky not an admin? Meme item data. Flappy Bird. Create scriptable object, meme info, Flappy Bird, meme info. Cool, okay, now let's populate these fields. Flappy Bird, preview image can just be one of these boys. Why does it, when I select this and then I go into this, okay, there we go. Drag that onto here. Flappy Bird, menu category, enemy, meme info, drag that in. Cool, and now we need to actually do the meme info. Flappy Bird. When was he a meme? Was it 2014? Please, I want to be cool, people, because as a cool person I can say his eyebrows are cool. Well done. Well identified. My eyebrows are incredibly cool. Damn, it's a subculture. 2013. Dong Nguyen is the creator. Oh yeah, he took it down. Because he could not handle the stress. That's so funny. Oh. Alright, when was the date of peak popularity? Ah, look at that. So clear cut, so easy. February 2014. URL, doink, Flappy Bird art. It lost my place in the inspector. Thank you, Unity, for doing exactly what I want all the goddamn time. Image. Name aliases, nope. Meme categories, definitely normie. Definitely. Date of peak popularity, February 2014, as we just discovered. I should grow a mustache and then add that to the game. Yeah, to be honest. Also, Ethan, do I open Midjourney? What do you mean by open? Is it not already open? I thought anyone could use it. Okay, cool. Now we can actually make this boy into a meme item. Make him flap around with his little flappy wings. Flappy Bird. We need to put him in resources, obviously, as always, because we resources.load. Meme items. Bot's down. The bot's down. Is that their fault? Midjourney having a little bit of a wobble. Didn't find any use of C# than Unity. To be fair, for the back end of Meme Game, I use C# on Azure functions. It's like, I think it can be used for everything, or a lot of what Java can be used for, but it's a lot better. C# is a lot nicer than Java. And but like, to be honest, there aren't really any big use cases. Like, if you're being sensible and going with the biggest language for each use case, you probably wouldn't use C# other than Unity. Yeah, that's the thing. I'd always go for the biggest language. Other than Python, I'd like try and avoid Python. But like, even for machine learning, you kind of have to use Python. There's no other alternative. Okay, so Flappy Bird. Let's make him into a meme item. So we add the meme item component. We drag in the meme item data that we just created. And he needs an animator because he's going to be animated. So we'll make a... We can actually just create the animator through here. So create. Cool, it's in the right folder. Flappy Bird. How does... Let's just look at a quick video of... Actually, you know what? I'll check Game Salad. I'll check my version of Flappy Bird. Because that is pretty much a 1-to-1 clone of the original. So, wait, I have to go to my portfolio. It's off the screen. Profile. Then, where is it? Where's Flappy Bird? Should I search for it? Flappy Bird. I'll zoom in. Does my game show up? Nope. Damn. Did I even publish it? Oh, I did. Wow. Python is literally C but easier. Not quite, but... Okay, so he's in the flapping animation and he does a sine wave up and down. And then when the player comes near him, he'll just start the flap. Like that. Oh wait, no. That wasn't even in game. Okay, but he's doing the same thing. Yeah, so when the player comes near him, boom. He'll start moving like that. And then that, when he hits the player. Alright. Hey, Haki's back. Shoot the whoop enemy that spits laser beams periodically. Optionally can look at the nearest player. I actually do want to add laser beams to the game. I want to add like the laser eyes as a weapon for Memoring Man. They'll have all these cool like 2D lighting effects. I only have a few lighting effects at the moment, but I think lighting is quite cool. Okay, so for this animation, I'll drag this window up here so we can drag in the sprites more easily. We'll drag in the 3 frames of the animation, and that is basically it. Easy clap. Damn, we're getting through this. Right, okay, who gave Flappy Bird meth? Naughty, okay. We're gonna have to slow him down just a little bit, just a small tad. Sample rate 24, does that... To be honest, if we just like stretch these out, that might just be good enough. Oh, he needs to go back to this frame afterwards. That's why it looks so weird. Alright, just drag that. Come on, go on. I'd have to copy and paste it, really. Alright, let's see that. Oh, I need to copy and paste this as well. That looks perfect. Okay, it needs to be faster. Let's try 50. Is that to... Okay, now let's compare it to this. I'm trying to get the rate of his flap right. So, yeah, this is way too slow. Nah. Just like stretch him in. Oh, but now it's not even... I'll undo that. Can I do it in like a seconds? Frames? Oh, you know, I can just change the animator speed to go faster. Where is Flappy Meme? Is it not still up? It might have got taken down by the App Store. I think I just gave up. But you can play it on my portfolio if you really want to. But yeah, I think Flappy Meme might have gotten taken down by the App Store once they realized that like you can't publish shit games like that. Well, maybe I just didn't renew it. Flappy Meme. Is it not there? Oh yeah, Game Salad Arcade is like the #1. Oh, it's also on, no, that's not it. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Oh, I guess it is there. Flappy Meme 2. Maybe I, had to re-upload it, because the original got taken down. Yeah, I don't think this is the original. Check all my... Where is it? Mad. Okay. Meme Game's there. Lovely. Yeah, I'm ignoring the eyebrows because it's so repetitive and I've heard it a million times. You've broken me. Well done. When I hit 10k, we can talk about it again. But there's nothing else we can do about it for the time being. Okay, so let's make this animator actually animate slightly faster because it's too slow. Maybe Oh, I just want to get it right here. Why can't I do that? Because it stretches it out weirdly. Okay. That's actually too fast. Is it? Oh no, I've closed Flappy Bird. I have to reopen it. That's actually... That's perfect. That's fine. Maybe 50. Flappy Bird gameplay original. Yes, Hacky, well said.
Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird. So
He does flap quite fast. Okay, we want to be true to the original, so 60 frames a second it is. Is that too slow even? Nah, that's alright. Okay, cool. I think we'll go with that. What's next? Well, he's facing right currently. Do you want him to be facing left by default? Maybe. Because I feel like most people will have their levels going to the right, because that's just like the natural progression. It's probably good to just make him -1 scale by default. Let's apply all the changes we've made. And... everything looks good. Cool, okay, so we can make a Flappy Bird script and start animating him. Ooh. Well, okay, we animated him already, but we can make him move. So, C# script. Where does it create these C# scripts? Like, I clicked it, and then it just disappeared. Flappy Bird. Maybe, are you sure it's not in the repo? Let's see. Didn't just create like a new random script somewhere. Doesn't look like it. Okay. Bro got popular. Yeah, a lot of people watching the stream today. Kind of mad. Maybe say hi if you came from TikTok recently, because that's probably what happened, to be honest. Because I've been making some good TikToks. Who here discovered me from TikTok? Who actually went and checked out my channel when I said check out my channel on the TikTok? Because honestly, respect for having the attention span as a TikTok user. You didn't come from TikTok? Just love game devs. Are you a game dev yourself, or an aspiring one? Flappy Bird looks kinda weird when he's facing left, I'm not gonna lie. It's kinda like when you got your selfie camera on and then you flip it. You look so weird. I don't know, maybe he should be facing right by default. Yeah, you know what? He looks too weird without it. We'll make it so you can change his, if he's flipped or not. And to be honest, we can make it so you can resize it in non-experimental. Why not? Honestly, why not? I mean, we don't have any of the other enemies resizable in play mode. But I feel like Flappy Bird is simple enough. That's hard, it's hard. Alright, fine, we'll allow it for now. If there are problems, we can disable it. Damn, no one here came from TikTok. That's kind of mad. That's how I got all my new subscribers. Well, my 200 subscribers in the past few days. Or so. Weeks. Lol. Okay, so Flappy Bird needs a rigid body and a collider so he can do physics stuff. So we will add a rigid body 2D and we will add a polygon collider 2D. Now, polygon collider that Unity generated is absolutely atrocious, so I'm gonna go and fix it. Luckily, this will be quite easy because he is just a bunch of right angles for the most part, relatively speaking. Boom, boom. As such, as such. These have to be relatively accurate because he will be able to be resized by the level creator in non-experimental mode. So we don't want him to have like inaccurate colliders when he's been made humongous. Humongous what? Oh, whoa. This fade is kind of sussing me out. Maybe I should just make it the size of the orange. Keep my life simple. It's like, when I zoom in, I can't actually see it. Yeah, where is Jam Sharp? How am I gonna promote Enchanted? Yeah, Salzun just like, I haven't heard from Salzun in a while. I think he's just dipped. Did I kick him out yet? Yeah, he went AFK because he got offended that like I laughed at some joke, I think. I don't even know what he was talking about. I laugh at everything. But, you know. He actually joined from the OG days from Cheese Game. If someone tells me when the game jam is this year, actually, I mean, I've subscribed to GMTK, so I'll probably just join. But yeah, I will do the game jam this year. I will stream it just as a good old days nostalgia trip down memory lane. Because honestly, those were the days. What is Cheese Game? I actually made a video on my channel. It's like a stream highlights, like all my other videos. But Cheese Game is the game I made for the GMTK Game Jam. Yeah, I was like streaming for like so long, like the whole day. My voice was dying, but I had like my coconut water to keep it nice and refreshed and refrigerated. That was some good shit right there. Right. I'm whooshing through this Flappy Bird collider. Very subconsciously doing it. Are we done? Almost. I wish TikTok would let me stream to TikTok. Although I don't really know how I would do it, because this is a landscape video. Maybe I'll just mess up the aspect ratio of Unity even more than it already is. And make it portrait. And then develop my game in portrait mode. I'm sure I could like organize the windows, the sub windows in Unity, so they would match a TikTok live stream. TikTok kinda cringe. It is, but like you gotta like keep up with the times somehow. Otherwise you get called a boomer. But you know, do you guys think it'll get banned? What happened to that? They just like, it was like hype in the news for a second. And then no one cares anymore about it being banned. Or are they just taking their sweet time to make a decision on it? I know, Americans. Slow. I don't want to use the R word to describe an entire race of people, but, you know, I can only be the vessel of communication your abstract mind will interpret. Oh yeah, are you Americans? I'm sorry. No, I'm joking. Okay, look at that beautiful polygon collider. Oh, those right angles, except for this one right here. Okay, now that is just orgasmic. I love it. The old days, you jam and slays with Rethan at 2 AM working on Cheese Game. Yep, those were the days. Let's apply these changes before I have an aneurysm and delete all my changes. Let's also commit Flappy Bird stuff so we don't make it too big of a pull request. Wait, I don't do pull requests. I'm not a good programmer. You want to sip its bathwater. 1 to 10, how much pain did Meme Game 2 give you? Well, in the early days, honestly, creating like stuff like the 2D terrain, it was so cool, but so hard to make, and so much pain just trying to like trial and error and all the maths, and also like the resizes, like changing, like when you select something, I'll show you, when you select something, this whole thing, to get this to work like in a generic way with any item, and the undo redo system, oh my god, I had to really switch my brain on, but it was all worth it, and now I don't have to think about it, and it's all reusable and beautiful. Okay, so Flappy Bird's rigid body and physics now works, so if I enter play mode, he just falls. I mean, I don't know why there's like a gap between the collider and him. I think Unity's just not very good, because I've seen that gap between all colliders, like even Mimorang Man's foot and the floor. But you know, I mean, it is kind of noticeable. But Flappy Bird is only going to hit you. That is kind of annoying, to be honest. I think I have to change the Beauregard scale or whatever, but then Unity says don't change it unless you know what you're doing, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing, so. Too inactive to be a mod. Work on the wiki fandom while having this play. Damn, nice. Okay, so we've got the rigid body working. We need to put an enemy component on him. Enemy. Or do we? Because this isn't going to be very complex of an enemy. Although we should probably have the enemy component because it has like a bunch of things related to health. He's just gonna, as soon as the player comes in range, he's just gonna flap. But is it gonna be in a straight line, or is it gonna be where the player is? Is it gonna flap towards the player? When is early access? When I do the campaign. Alright, what I'll do, I think actually, yeah, so he can flap towards the height. So if Mimorang Man is much higher, he just flaps up. And if Mimorang Man is lower, he'll like slow his flapping rate. Should we do the whole flapping using the animator? Where he rotates and then falls after a second. Okay, well I reckon he has a function called flap, and when that function is called, there's an upwards force, and then after 1 second we call that again, and we just keep calling it every second, and he keeps flapping and getting forced upwards with the force mode of impulse. We can do the rotation after that, I reckon. I think it's a good place to start. Let's make his mass like 0.3. Hello, Jam Sharp. Long time, my guy. Pay more attention to the chat than the stream. Fair. The stream has been the chat's been pretty active today. Okay, so let's add the enemy script. Player proximity detector, events for distances, starting health. What's a good starting health? 13. Score amount to provide when you kill him. Is it just 13 as well? Is that what we do for the other enemies? We just give like the same. Oh no, we've had different ones for everyone. May as well have a different one. Killing a Flappy Bird will give you 10. Why not? Some random amount. Do you know what to add to the wiki fandom? It's the best game in the world. Yeah, I don't know why I tried to revert that. Okay, so start chasing should happen at if less than 5, and stop chasing greater than 5 point, or greater than. Well, it should never stop chasing. Or should it? Actually, yeah, maybe like at like a big distance, like 10. Yeah. Nintendo's angry that you pirate a 30-year-old game. Yeah, Nintendo needs to just like check themselves when it comes to piracy. Honestly. Nintendo, like, just let us use your music on YouTube. Well, I mean, they do let us use their music, but like, they don't let people upload the music raw. I mean, fair enough, but like, why? Like, what's the reason for that? A Wikipedia page about Arethan. I'm so flattered. Okay. Flappy Bird. Public void flap. Simple as. Gonna have eyebrows in the description. Yep. Look at that. So this is gonna be the mothership of functions. Public void flap. And that will simply just get... Well, we need the reference to the rigid body. Oh, whoa, you see, he knows what I want already. It named it wrong. In awake, we need to set that. Rigid body equals that. Oh, the name is wrong. Flap rigid body dot add force. We need to pass the force in. Serialized field, private float, or yeah, flap force. That's a good name for it. Add force, new vector 2. 0 in the x direction, flap force in the y. Force mode impulse. And if is attacking, we all flap, I guess. I mean, actually, to be fair, it needs a force in the x direction as well to move towards the player, but that needs to be handled by the Flappy Bird script, not the enemy script. So enemy. Well, what happens now if we play? It's just gonna chase the player, right? No, it's not. Whoa. Oh no, I got this error because Flappy Bird's score changed. Nothing should change once set or win. Okay, this is gonna get annoying very fast, but I'm gonna have to go and manually change it. I have to go into the mainframe, blob storage. It's affected by Y velocity too, so if Y velocity is high, it makes jump shorter. Oh, true. I mean, I could set the Y velocity to 0 just before doing the force. Okay, game data. I'm gonna manually refresh it. Flappy Bird. Wait, it's null. Wait, in this server, in update game data, does it just check if it contains the key? Oh, we should check if it's not equal to null. Or why is it even adding null in the first place? Update game data request. Game data. Meme item scores. Oh, okay, it's nullable. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, so we just need to check that it's not null before sending the error message. So if it contains the key and it's not null, we can copy and paste this. And this is not equal to null. And it's not equal to... Okay. Let's try that. I'll just start the server locally. Make sure it works locally. Wait. Why isn't it working? Oh, it was taking its time. Java? Why is it opening Java? Oh god, what's going on? Ethan, you just watched your cheese game video quickly. You can't really believe you suggested the cheese would have been round. I wonder what would have happened if you didn't say that. Yeah, man. You've shaped the course of my life. Yeah, I mean, coming up with the idea for that game was so random. It was literally just like random bits of ideas from the chat and random things I could think of. How old I made meme game? 16, maybe? 15, 16, so I think, something like that. Game salad, terrible, terrible engine. Developer tools. Take control. Oh yeah. Okay, and now we need to make it use the local version of Azure so we can see that it's worked. And then we can push it. Here we go. Change that back. Boom. Okay, let's see. Is it gonna cry? Nice, didn't cry. And if I go back to blob storage and refresh, download, and I check it out, hopefully Flappy Bird. Oh, it's still null. Fuck's sake. What the fuck? Do I need to refresh it here? When was it last updated? 9/11. That is a while ago. Oh wait, I think I just messed it up. I know I did. I messed up the code. Oh, it's for the fandom. Nice. Existing game data. Meme item source contains key. Oh wait, no, this is just for the error response. Eh. Game data, meme item scores. It serializes it. Okay, let's put a little breakpoint. Let's see what happens when we enter play mode. Hello. Nothing happening. Okay, let's try again. Is it even calling it? I don't think so. Trumpet boy's enemy. I have him as an idea. His mayonnaise an instrument. I need to add that meme. Yeah, okay, well this backend server is not working. That's just sus. Playfab local settings. Yes, correct. Let's just restart this again. Okay. Hello, Jeffrey. Jeffrey and Johnny. The two game dev gods. Back together. Could not get game info, server requests are blocked. That's my own error message. Still, server is still booting up. Acquired. Is mayonnaise an instrument? Yes, anything is an instrument. If you watch Auntie Donna's Big Old House of Fun, you'll know that everything is a drum. Everything. By the way, that show slaps so hard. Highly recommend. Oh! Has it worked, or is it just glitching out? Unity. 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 Why? Make the crying SpongeBob meme into a floor, and when you touch it, the SpongeBob meme sound. Jeffrey is now your god. Alright, send it, Hacky. Okay, Unity just crashed. Perfect. I love it. Maybe I should just fix the server later. Let's add it to the list. Meme game 2. Whoa, shallow updated. That's mad. Fix Unity. Wait. Fix server game data thing. You ain't no god. You should take the title while you are it. Oh, this one. Definitely, actually. I will add that to the list. That is 100% a good sound. I don't know why it's related to black people, but that is a good sound. SpongeBob fail sound. Okay, let's open Unity again. I should have been doing that this whole time. Oh, did I install a new version of Unity and then never opened a meme game with it? Ah, I see. Okay, well, I'll update it later, but for now, we'll just open it like that. Jesus. Jeffrey's now Jesus. Yo, is Trello free? Yes, it is, I think. Free tier. Hello, Elite Fusion. Sorry, I didn't see it first time you asked. Hacky, a lot of your ideas have been added to Meme Game. You are a vital part of the success of this game. How do you kill Tom? You don't. You gotta just avoid him. That's why I added an enemy that you can't kill. That's just like essentially an obstacle. Adios, mon ami. Alright. Is it gonna use the local server or is it gonna start crying again? Oh. Okay, but then why isn't the breakpoint working? Did I just disable the breakpoint? No, I did not. Oh, but the debugger is not on. Wow. Special friends. 11 viewers. Where y'all coming from? Stop watching my live stream. That's incredibly rude. I'm joking. Your level is unbeatable. Are you proud of that? You made a level that no one can beat. You are providing the world with hours and hours of fun and entertainment. Add milk into a father item, and a father item is invisible and it's called your father. Damn. That's actually quite good. Dad left to get the milk. But whenever he said stop watching my live stream, it's incredibly rude. Just because he's British, it was funny. Well, I mean, people did stop. It's gone from 11 to 8. Wait, so are you actually American then? Yay for you. Mountain Dew. Yay for you. Howdy there, partner. I'm from Texas. Was that a good impression? Okay, let's see if the server doesn't cry itself to sleep. Come on. Come on. Come on, old boy. You got this. Breakpoint. Why? Hey, breakpoint. Let's go. Okay, now we can analyze the issue. So, the game data. We can open it up in the debugger. Context. Wait, here. Game data. Meme item scores. We have a lot of meme items, so we can collapse this. And let's find Flappy Bird. Oh, look, it's all alphabetically ordered for me. It's not just lovely. Flappy Bird. Value 10. Okay, so it does come along. Yeah, okay, cool. Everything updated. So then why is it crying? Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think this is a good idea. Because if I suddenly give a meme item score, it will break existing levels. So I'm just gonna remove it again. and say, I don't think it's a good idea to check now, because if a meme item didn't have score before but now does, that will also break levels. Yeah. So we've essentially done absolutely nothing. We've gone in one big circle and accomplished literally nothing. Programming is fun. Yeah. You were just in Texas? Well then, partner. Are you gonna see my girl Sandy Cheeks? No, that's not very good. Rethan plays Meme Game 1. When I get 5k subscribers, I'll do a playing Meme Game 1 live stream. Hats off to you, British man. Is it hard to understand British people? Or do you have no problem whatsoever? Or do you have subtitles, text to speech, speech to text subtitles constantly? Australia? Yeah, mate, I'm from down under. Making a meme game. I like it. Do you remember when I used to do accents all the time on stream and now I don't? It's kind of mad. Right, alright. Let's, what were we doing? We're doing Flappy Bird, okay. You can do Russian. Suka Rushbi. Some stuff they say just because they're British is funny. Like, bottle of water. I think I used to watch Ed's World back in the days. Okay. Flappy Bird needs to flap. Okay. So I reckon because the flap rate is determined by how far away Memoring Man is on the y-axis, we should have a minimum time between flaps. And other than that, he will just try and flap as fast as he needs to reach the height of Memoring Man. Actually, I don't know if that's a good idea. I think that might be hard. Yeah, reset Y position. I will... Actually, I'm going to write that down because I will forget. I'm also thinking... Make sure to reset Y velocity before applying flap force. Thanks, Johnny. To make the longest level. We actually need some long levels. You know what? I'll do that now. All we need to do is rigid body. Oh, look it. How does it know? How does it? Maybe it just knows the code for Flappy Bird. Copilot is mad. But I'm thinking, because it'll be hard to calculate how fast to flap to reach the height, what if it's just a simple rule? He flaps if he is above Memoring Man. Sorry, he doesn't flap if he's above Memoring Man. And he flaps if he's below... Oh, he doesn't flap if he's... Wait, I'm getting confused. He flaps if he's below Memoring Man, like here. So he'll just flap at the minimum flap speed. Minimum flap time between flaps. Until he reaches Memoring Man's height. And then he will just not flap until he gets to below Memoring Man's, let's say, hand. Or whatever we have the info for. We have this player info script with like a bunch of his body parts exposed to the public. Yeah, like right hand or something. Center of player. Okay, we'll just do that. Okay, should be simple enough. So, flap force, we need a min time between flaps, and then this needs to occur. How often should it be an update? Should it check if it needs to flap every frame, or should it do it in like every 0.1 seconds or something like that? Probably doesn't need to be every frame, every 0.5 seconds. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Probably could do it every 0.5 seconds. Okay, we'll do a private enumerator flap check. Check if we need to flap. Wait. Hello, Redflected. Nice to have you. Never seen you before. How you doing? Flap check. So, yield, return, wait 4 seconds. That's a lot of emojis. 0.5. No, new. We have to. It's an object. We have to create it. So every 0.5 seconds, it will do the flap check, and we should get a reference to the enemy script because we're going to be using that a lot, I reckon. Enemy. Get a reference here, and we'll check enemy dot player currently chasing. If the player currently chasing is not null, if player currently chasing is not equal to null, then we need to check. So if it's not null, and also the player currently chasing, if Flappy Bird's Y position dot Y is greater than, less than the player's center, so info.center of player, then we want to flap. Oh wait, this should be min time between flaps. Yeah. We can put that 0.5 in the Unity inspector. Center player.y. Then flap at the flap force. Okay. I'm interested to see how this works. Dot transform dot y. Okay. Yeah, I'm interested to see how this works. Dot transform dot position dot what? Jesus Christ, it's a lot of dots. Enemy dot player currently chasing dot info dot center player dot transform dot position dot y. Mad. Yo, Ethan, would you rather meme game would be finished by adding the whole story and to-do list and every idea perfectly, or gain 20k subs and gaining more popularity on Tim Tom on TikTok and in streams? 20k subs? Nah, that's not enough. Thing is, there's no such thing as meme game being in a perfectly finished state, because there's always going to be new memes to add from the past and the present. So meme game is like an ongoing thing, and it's currently at a good place. Like, the gameplay is pretty fun. I mean, I still have a lot of big ideas, a lot of crazy animations, but like, you know, Snoop Dogg is kind of crazy, throws exploding weed joints at you, and like, there's a lot of stuff you can do. Like, the gameplay is very solid. So I just need a campaign to get the game into an actual, like, buyable, like, playable, well, you know, if you don't want to do level builder stuff, just to make the game proper. So I'd rather have more subscribers, to be honest. Your game is breaking. Damn. Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of glitches in meme game, but you gotta make sure that doesn't happen. So, okay. So, let's see what happens. Oh wait, I never set the values in the inspector. Nothing's gonna happen. He's just gonna fall to his sad little death. Okay. Where is it? Oh, did I not add the script? I never added the Flappy Bird script. Flappy Bird. Flap force. I don't know how much. 4. Min time between flaps 0.5. Let's see if that is any good. Okay. I don't. Oh wait, we never even started the flap check coroutine. Out. So in start, we'll start coroutine. I always forget to start the coroutine. What a common occurrence. Common Rethan L. Your level is big. 404 Y2K. Not found. Y2K. Post your level on the chat. Get people to play it. Maybe I'll play it one day. Is it a good level? I haven't played any levels in a while, to be honest. Okay, still not working. Maybe the force isn't enough. 40. Okay, I have a feeling. Actually, I have no feeling. Time to use the debugger. That's what happens when you have no feeling as a programmer. You just turn on the debugger and cheat. I'm a failed programmer. So sad. Okay, so player currently chasing is null. Let's put a breakpoint in here. Okay. Oh wait, it's only doing it once. It needs to do it in an infinite loop. Obviously. Obviously. While is not dead. Why not? Enemy dot is dead is false. Or maybe while is chasing player is chasing player. How about that? Okay. We're getting there. Incremental progress. What game mode? Minecraft, I play Minecraft. Ethan, is there a game that starts with 111? I don't know. It's all RNG. It just generates random letters and numbers. Hello, Alexander. Do you want to review your website out of 10? Trying to get good at coding, so you want to review? Alright, I'll quickly review your website. Send over the link. I'll do like a 20-second review of it. Okay, let's see. Does it work? I still don't know what's going on, so time to turn on the debugger. Flap check ain't even working. Oh wait, the while loop stops when is chasing player is false. Let's just do is not dead for now. Yeah. I'm not a very good programmer, as you can tell. I'm joking, I'm amazing. I better not get a virus from this. HTTP / insta. Oh my god, too many. instabay.sus.us. Sus. Instabay? Instant Bay. Instantbay.us. I don't think your website's live, man. My ISP ain't finding it. 0 out of 10. Sorry, ma'am. WW. If I just do that. Oh, okay. www. Oh, here we go. It's loading. Ooh, nice little animation. Whoa. Looks like the default React bootstrap. But it's very nice and clean. Forums. Oh, you're making a forum. Text is a bit big. Looks a bit amateur. Make the text smaller. Background's an interesting idea. I don't know if I like the color scheme. I don't like this green. Yeah, also this bit here, up here, looks a bit newbie. Maybe use icons instead. That's a bit pixelated. Or is it just me? No, it's not. It's just me. Yeah, I don't know if this animation is acceptable in the year 2023, but honestly, if you're learning to code, it's your first website, nice. Keep up. What did you make it in? Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Flappy Bird. Whoa. He be jumping. Okay, well, at least something is working. So I just like see what happens if he falls on me. No! Come back! Made in Ohio. Made in Ohio. Okay. So it looks like the logic to detect if he's lower than the player actually is working. Maybe not fast enough. Maybe it should happen every like 0.2 seconds instead of 0.5. And definitely a smaller force. Let's try a force of 1 every 0.3 seconds. It's in Python. Don't you dare say anything about it. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, look at that, look! So if I like select Memoring Man and then like bring him up, Flappy Bird also goes up. Wow! And then if I put him down, he goes down. That's pretty cool. Okay, we're making progress. That's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with that. Honestly, I think that is pretty worthy of calling it a day. If I just like push him, I want to push him into the portal. Come on, into the portal you go, Flappy Bird. Come on. Yep, now he's teleported. Where'd he go? Where's the end? Oh, here. The portal that shits him out the map. You're dead. You're dead. Right, that was a successful stream. We did a lot. The core mechanic of Flappy Bird. Very successful stream. A lot of people would, were on the stream. Oh, I missed your message, Hacky. Would I rather have a Master Intelligence, so Meme Game 2 would be more easier and a lot of other stuff to do, or be able to fly 30 minutes every day? I'll definitely fly. That's so cool. Actually, no, flying would get boring. I don't know. Actually, if I was the only one in the world who could fly, I reckon I could make a lot of money off of just being able to fly. Provide my services as a flight attendant. Make Guy a meme. How many signatures are we on? Where even is Guy? He's not even here. Discord trial, good forum is now live. Please fill it out if you're interested. What's the Goog form? Alright. Okay, fellas. Advertise mod applications now. Okay. There are mod applications. Apply. I don't know where. Ask Enchanted. I guess. Now come every stream or you'll tell your family. That's pretty much how it goes. That is how it goes. Announcements. Ah yes, check announcements. Trial mod applications. Damn. It's getting legit. How old am I? 69. Rethan. It. Nigeria. 4+ years. Not trial. Full. Because I'm Rethan. I'm sorry, don't spam this form. But this is a good idea. Don't go roll. Okay, there you go. Please accept my application. Yeah, okay, so if you want to be a mod, go over to this form. Thank you, Enchanted, for creating it. And thank you, everyone, for joining in. It's been good. Might see you again tomorrow or in a couple days. Who knows? I might make a TikTok tomorrow. TikToks are quite fun to make, but also Flappy Bird. We're so close to starting the campaign. It's going to be so much fun. The storyline. The lore. I could do anything with it. You guys are going to help me. Alright. Big S. Sorry, man. You missed it.